In ancient times, hundreds of years before the dawn of history, lived an ancient race of people, the Druids.
We're aiming to be there around 9:30. Neil, you're in the WIL-DOG home. Be quiet.
Mario, 100 years ago.
Neil wants to get there.
Before the dawn of
he wants to get there
history.
about noon because
Tell him to do it.
So we gotta do it before noon. Yeah. So we gotta wake our asses up. Yeah. 9 and 11 or something. It's gonna be a bit on the early side, but
Stonehenge, sonny boy. Tomorrow morning, are you gonna wake up? No, I'm sleeping.
of course.
Yeah, what a dick.
Mario.
Yo, where are we going, B?
When you turn off the camera.
Stonehenge, where the demons dwell, when they do live well.
We're going to Stonehenge. Going to Stonehenge, UK. 2007. 1. Who else is getting up?
Zero and
Brett.
It's proper. Now those shit have petrified. They're just yeah, very sick, man. I am Harry Potter, and I will turn you into a squirrel.
Stonehenge?
I'm gonna turn Mario into a fucking squirrel, dude. I'm gonna turn Mario into
In an ancient world where druids lived.
I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm gonna turn Mario into a banana-eating chongo. Ching!
In an ancient world where druids shetteth. Where druids shetteth and pisseth.
Could you refrain from being a really big jackass just for a few minutes?
In an ancient world where druids shetteth. What'd you say?
Shite.
Where druids shite. Did they shetteth?
No one knows
who they were or
what they were doing, but their legacy remains, hewn into the living rock of Stonehenge.
Thank you very much. Like the written outside when you're ready to go in. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Hey, this is about to rock.
Shut up, Cheeto.
Whatever, brother. This is hard. Just about to rock.
Here we go. Stonehenge 1.
Now entering the gates of Stonehenge.
So, Stonehenge is, I guess, the hanging rock. Hanging stone, I guess. And they said that this was built in 3000 BC. And back then, they had to get these stones. I guess the closest stone that's like this anywhere is 200 miles away. So they had to somehow bring these stones from 200 miles away and carry them somehow all the way up here. Now that's just a trip. These things are huge. It's amazing just to think how they even got is up on the top. Stay up.
Stonehenge, where a man's a man and the children dance to the pipes of Pan. And you, my love, won't you take my hand? We'll go back in time to that mystic land where the dewdrops cry and the cats meow. I will take you there, I will show